What's up and welcome to My Point of View. I am your fat and opinionated host, and the Johnny Depp trial has been absolutely crazy since day one. But today, the Johnny Depp trial reached new heights because today was day one of the cross-examination of AH. And you know what? I'll be fair. I think it's fair to say that Johnny Depp is guilty of many things. Johnny Depp is perhaps guilty of drinking too much sometimes. Johnny Depp is perhaps guilty of smoking too much sometimes. And yeah, let's be honest here. Sometimes when Johnny Depp gets angry, he'll slam a few kitchen cabinets. Something of that nature. But you know what's also clear? It's also clear that Johnny is not guilty of what he is being accused of here. It's clear that Johnny Depp is not this monster that AH has made him out to be. In fact, the evidence shows that it is the exact opposite. That Johnny Depp is the victim here. AH, in her own admission, has hit Johnny Depp, has punched Johnny Depp, has pursued Johnny Depp as he tried time and time again to get away from physical altercations. I'm sorry to be harsh here, but women beaters, they don't run away from an argument. They don't lock themselves behind closed doors to get away from you. They don't run away. They don't take every opportunity they can to get away from you before things get physical. That's not how they do. Johnny Depp is not that. Johnny Depp may be many things, but Johnny Depp is not that. But you know what? Today I enjoyed watching AH get absolutely destroyed by Camille Vasquez. She got caught in plenty of lies. We saw her try to fake and act as if she has all of this evidence that she doesn't even have. There's no proof of it. In fact, there's proof stating otherwise. Usually, when people have horrible things done to them, like what she accused Johnny Depp of doing to her, usually they have medical records the same night or the next day showing that this happened to them. AH has medical records showing that she had no visible marks or anything done to her or anything wrong with her, literally days after some of these attacks that she claims were so horrible. I want to show you all my favorite little clip from today. You know, I know a lot of you all can't sit there and watch the trial for 8 hours a day. This part has to be my favorite part of today, or at least, of today's trial. Not only does it show that AH is a complete liar, but it shows you how ruthless Camille Vasquez is. Let's watch this clip.
A medical record from after the December 15th, 2015 incident, don't you?
A partial one, yes.
You went to see Dr. Kipper's office a couple days later.
That's right. He wasn't in the office.
Can we please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 47, which is already in evidence? This is your medical record for December 17th, 2015, isn't it, Ms. Heard?
That's correct.
And this record doesn't document any physical injuries on you, does it?
I don't think so, no. I don't think I spoke to Kipper. I didn't speak to Kipper that day. And
but you went to Dr. Kipper's office and were seen, correct?
I went to Dr. Kipper's office for a concussion check.
Right. Okay. And this medical record is from that visit, correct?
Partially, yes.
Scroll down, please, if we could. the signature Kipper down below. This is the entirety of the medical record. Right, Ms. Hurd?
Yes, what I meant by partial is I didn't talk about what happened to me. I didn't get into my injuries. I didn't get into what happened or ask for anything other than should I get some sort of scan done.
But this record doesn't document any physical injuries on you, does it?
I'd have to read it in full, but I don't know.
Well, let's do that. We could please go, well, under skin on the second page. It reads intact, normal color, moisture, hair distribution, texture, turgor, no signs of, oh, this is going to be hard, cyanosis, mottling, jaundice.
It also says I'm a well-nourished male.
Right. I have no idea what that means.
I think this medical record's missing a lot of things.
Yeah, but it doesn't document any physical injuries.
Doesn't seem to be documenting anything.
Probably because there was nothing to document, right, Ms. Hurd?
I disagree with you on that.
God,
You don't have any.
that was brutal. You know, I think I am a Camille Vasquez fan now. Am I simping over her? Am I simping over Camille Vasquez? Maybe I am. If I'm going to simp over someone, I'll simp over Camille Vasquez. No shame in it. There's no shame in my game. But honestly, all jokes aside, this is everything I wanted and more from the cross-examination of Amber Turd. She's caught here, red-handed. We've all been to a doctor before. We've all been to the hospital before. You don't go to your doctor or the hospital with all of these visible injuries on you and it not get documented. If there was visible cuts on her, best believe it's going to be in the reports. If there's swollen, blackened eyes, it's going to be in the reports. If there's broken noses, it's going to be in the reports. Not only can she not provide evidence that this stuff happened to her, the evidence that she has in the doctor reports that she has, makes her look even worse. It's like right here. This should be something like your get out of jail free card right here, Amber. Your doctor showing, well, I guess it's true. Even her doctor, before he even knew that this high profile trial would happen, here's him labeling all these injuries. There's not a single one of them labeled within this doctor's report. And then Amber is so stupid that she tries to act like this doctor's report isn't credible because they had a typo in it at one point. But the end of the clip is just because there was nothing to document. Isn't that right, Mrs. Hurd? This is everything I needed more. I think it's a good idea that they put Camille up there because, I don't know, it's something about when women go at each other, it gets kind of, I don't know if catty's the right word to use here because I feel more of a catty energy coming from AH, whereas I feel like just a straight ruthless like energy coming from Camille Vasquez. But it's really interesting here, you know? And I feel like because it's a woman that's asking AH these questions and putting her on the spot, that she's getting even more angry about it. You know, I feel like it's pissing her off that much more. But at the very least here, people, if any of you all had any thought in your mind that maybe AH was telling the truth, here it is, you know, a doctor's report. Right after this alleged incident happened to her, and there's no marks on this woman's body. And you could go look at pictures where there's no marks on her body, but this right here is just, it's just the cherry on top. But I want to know your thoughts about this down in the comments below because this is getting insane. I cannot wait for the rest of this trial. But while you're down there leaving your thoughts, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And always remember to remain opinionated.